Howdy, howdy, folks. This is Wolf from Wolf's Den. We're going to talk today about some tactical lights, or non-tactical lights if you like. I mean, everybody recognizes this one. Your good old trusty Maglite. This is one of the best car lights you can find. Not only is it bright and adjustable, but let's face it, this thing is a club. I mean, when in doubt, whack 'em with it. This next one I picked up a while back. It looks pretty tactical, wouldn't you say? This is the Grab Light. It's got 6 LEDs. It's kind of sort of bright. But what really is neat about this thing, this should be in everybody's toolbox. Because you see, the really neat part is this thing has a little magnet on it. And it just keeps on going. And yes, it could be a lightsaber, but it's not. This is the most handy little thing if you've got to pick something up in the dark. It'll stick right to it. And it folds up into something that small. Button on the back. That's a Grab Light. You can generally find those at a lot of hardware stores. You can order them on the web through Amazon. They're generally about 15 bucks. I mean, you don't have to spend 200 bucks on a tactical light. But then again, this is a Streamline. A friend of mine gave me this. And where it is pretty bright, if you could see that, it's got 6 LEDs. And you know, sometimes those LED lights, though they last a long time, if you get to where you need them, that's kind of big, it's kind of bulky. Are you really going to carry that thing? It's great for like the glove box, but then again, I've got this in my car. To me, this little beauty right here, the Nebo. This is the Nebo Mini. Under 10 bucks. I found it at the gun show for about 6. Usually online, they're anywhere between $8 to $9.50. They're usually Nebo with clip, but let me tell you, the clip is worthless. You try to clip it on anything, and it falls right off. But this is solid steel. Button on the back. It has the defensive striker on front. And that's brighter. That little light right there is brighter than the rest of those. Other than that great big Maglite right there, this little bitty light is brighter than any of the rest of them. That's 35 lumens, and it fits in your pocket. And to me, that's the most important thing. The size. I mean, look at that. It'll slide right in your pocket. I carry this thing all the time. You can get a lot more expensive light that's got a lot more light to it. But they're kind of small, but they're about the same size as this one. And I find myself, it's too big to carry. This one goes everywhere I do. And that's when you're carrying and you need to identify a target. That's the most important thing. Do you have it on you? Then it comes to the little icon. Now, take a look at the rest of these and take a look at this one. Does it look like it belongs? I mean, this looks like something out of a sci-fi movie. It really does. Actually, I got it from LA Police Gear. They run about 30 bucks. But this little light is 50 lumen. Uses a standard battery. Doesn't use one of the 123s or expensive batteries. It's waterproof. Okay, it's plastic. It's not metal like the rest of these. It's more a polymer material like this one. Let's see if I can get a shot of the website there. Website's myiconlight.com. It may look a little funny, and certainly doesn't look tactical, but for the money, that is a bright light. So for my money, you know, which is it? I mean, it's one, to me, these two are the size you can readily carry, and they're both bright. And you didn't spend $200 for them. So, in my mind, these two are the ones you need to take a look at. The Nebo and the Icon. The Nebo is the solid steel, 35 lumen, and the Icon is 50 lumen. They also come, this one also comes in a 2-battery one that's 50 lumen. Or excuse me, I misspoke myself. The 2-battery one is 100 lumen. So, that's pretty bright. This is Wolf from Wolf's Den saying, see you later.